You are wondering how fashion designers can make money online or in a digital area, like with digital fashion, then you should watch this video because I will check this out for you. Hopefully we're going to be very successful. I'm very curious about that. Let's jump into the video. Okay, we're now in the scripting. And if you want to show something, you need to write print. And we have to understand that there are different types of data, numbers, strings, and Boolean. You have, when you want to write the number, it's under the brackets, the number. If you always write print small, and if you want to write a word, it's the brackets and then the quotes, and then you write the word. That's very important to understand that words always have these quotes. And then you have print with true or false. This would be the Boolean. Now, if we play that now, it will show us one word true. So that's the very, very basic thing we have to understand here. So the next thing we have to understand are variables. Variables are like containers to store things like data, information, and so on in it. And to create a variable, we need to write the following. Local, then, for example, favorite food equals quotes pizza, for example. And we close the quotes again. So what we need to understand now is that favorite food is the variable's name and pizza is the information that is stored inside the variable. So inside favorite food. So you are wondering why I'm dealing with such scripting things as a fashion designer. I think it's very important to have like a basic foundation. Also, when you're a fashion designer, you need to have basic understandings, how a skirt is draped and so on and so on. So this is the very basics. So yeah, let's continue with some more concepts. And the next concept is object-oriented programming. So you see, I'm trying to learn this on my own, and I tried to learn this kind of in a structured way. So follow along and please give me some feedback. I'm very happy if you comment, you out there, experienced Roblox professionals. I would like to read from you. Okay, so we need to understand the important thing is that there is always parent and the child. It's like a child inherits traits of a parent. The whole thing would be a game, and game would be the parent of workspace. And camera, for example, would be the child of workspace. So what would that mean and how could we do that? I have this brick here and it's red, but if we scroll down, we see it's brick yellow. So we want to change the color to yellow. And properties are also a child from brick yellow. So how do we change that now in scripting? I mean, we could change that from there, but we will like to change it in scripting. So we would do the following. We would write game, because this is the overall, dot workspace, dot brick yellow, because that's the thing we want to change, brick color, equals brick color new, and the last one will be the one that is shown, braces, quotes, and yellow flip-flop. And fingers crossed, if we now play the game, it's yes, it's yellow. So we are very happy that it's correct. So as you can see, it's not rocket science. It's just a bit of logic that you have to find into. I'm not a coder and professional, but maybe soon we will see, at least in Roblox. So follow along with the journey. Comment. What would you learn as the basics to get into Roblox Studio? Comment below. Give me some feedback. Everything is welcomed, and see you in the next video.